Hello everybody, it is day 29 of Treasure Trovember, our 6th annual Mixed Media Collage Challenge. One more prompt after today and we are done for the year. Absolutely done. So, 2 prompts left, today and tomorrow for the 30th. If you just found this video and you don't know what the heck's going on, this is a 30-day challenge. We're on day 29. You can go watch the welcome video and catch up. Link down below. And yeah, so this is the 6th time we've done this, you guys, and it has been amazing. The number of people participating, the number of people watching the videos, the number of people posting on Instagram, it's amazing. And I am just honored that you enjoy this little challenge that I dreamt up and that you keep wanting to do it year after year. So there will be a Trovember in 2026, I promise you. Also, something really exciting coming in 2026. I've got a brand new year-long class called Amuse Bouche, which is a French term for, it literally means amuse the mouth or tease the palate. And it's a little gift that a chef makes to start out your meal, and it's kind of chef's choice, something fancy, something just to tease your mouth a bit. And that's what we're doing next year, not with food, but with mixed media. And so Amuse Bouche is a year-long class. There's a new project lesson released every single week for 52 weeks. We'll also get together live each month for a co-create session where we can share what we've been working on and ask questions and get to know each other a little bit. So that starts January 1st. And right now, if you're watching in November, if you're watching November 29th, we are in the middle of our Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. You can get Amuse Bouche for $97. One-time payment, lifetime access to the 52 lessons, and it's such a deal. Okay, if you do the math, it's $2 a week. Okay, $97 will get you through all of 2026. So, link is down below. If you join over Black Friday, Cyber Monday, by midnight Central Time on Monday, December 1st, 2025, you will get your choice of bonuses. If you join after December 1st, that pre-sale price actually will be good through December 31st. And then it goes to regular price, $197. Still a heck of a deal. But you want to get in early, get in this weekend and get your bonuses. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I'm also going to put a link down below for a really fun event we started doing last year, where we get together after Trovember on Zoom and share our final collages. Now, because this is on Zoom and because we'll be sharing and because, over 5,000 of you have watched or registered for Trovember, we can't do everybody. So it is first come, first serve, and it's free. You just need to sign up before we run out of spaces, okay? Because I need to limit it so that we're not there all day. But it's happening December 6th, Saturday, December 6th at noon Central Time will be our Trovember share. And there's a link down below to sign up, first come, first serve. And I would love to see you there. I would love to see what you have created this year. So on to the prompt for day 29. The prompt today is to add a vegetable. Add a vegetable to your collage today and then come back tomorrow because that's the final day. Our final prompt will be tomorrow for day 30, and I would love to see you there.